This is the new Lamborghini. No V12, no roaring engine, just pure silence. In just 3 years, every Lamborghini will be electric. No exceptions. Today, I'll show you what that means for the brand, for the sound, and for you as a buyer. What's coming will either excite you or destroy your love for Lamborghini. Lamborghini didn't choose to go electric. They were forced to. The European Union banned new petrol-only cars by 2035. And guess where Lamborghini is based? Italy. No compliance means no sales, and no Lamborghini. But here's the brilliant part. Lamborghini turned this challenge into an opportunity. Their CEO confirmed they reduced emissions by 50% by 2025. They've hit that target already. Every model is now hybrid, Revuelto, Urus SE, and the new Temerario. Full electric? That's where it gets interesting. 1,000 plus HP, zero emissions. Meet the Lanzador. Yes, it looks like an absolute spaceship. This is Lamborghini's first fully electric car. Production starts in 2028. It has 4 seats, something Lamborghini has never done before. Why 4 seats? Because the average Lamborghini buyer in America is now 38 years old. They have kids and need space, but they still want drama and status. Performance? Over 1,000 horsepower, all electric. 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Over 200 miles. Price? Around $400,000. Yeah, electric Lamborghini isn't cheap. This is still the most exclusive brand on the planet. Would you buy an electric Lamborghini? Comment yes or no below. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. The sound. Play V12 audio, full volume. That is what makes a Lamborghini a Lamborghini. 8,500 RPM. Naturally aspirated. The greatest engine sound made by human beings. And now, silence. Pause. Lamborghini built a team of acoustic engineers. Their job? Make the electric Lamborghini feel alive. Is it the same as V12? Honestly, no. But Lamborghini says it will be something new. A new identity for the electric era. And knowing Lamborghini, they'll make it sound absolutely insane. Fast montage. Electric Lamborghini concepts. Now, I know some of you are thinking, isn't this just a fancy Tesla? Laugh. Absolutely not. And here's why. Tesla Model S Plaid, $90,000, 1 through 20 HP, U60 in 2.1 seconds. Lamborghini Lanzador, $400,000, 1,000 plus HP, U60 in 2.5 seconds. On paper, Tesla wins on price and speed. But you don't buy a Lamborghini for that. You buy it for how it makes you feel. Walking out of a restaurant to your Lanzador versus a Tesla. Pause. Smile. There's no comparison. None. Should you actually buy the electric Lamborghini or wait for the V12? Option 1. Collector. Buy the Revuelto now. It's the last V12 ever made. In 15 years, it will be worth double. Double. Option 2. Tech lover. Wait for the Lanzador in 2028. It will be the most advanced Lamborghini ever built. Option 3. Best value right now. Urus SE Hybrid. V8 Hybrid. Practical. Still a Lambo. Sweet spot for US buyers. The electric era is coming, whether we like it or not. If anyone can make electric cars exciting, it's Lamborghini. The V12 era is ending. The electric era is beginning. The future of Lamborghini looks incredible. Comment below. Are you excited for electric Lamborghini? Or does it break your heart? If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for weekly supercar content and I'll see you next time.